Hello everyone, welcome back to Genius Knowledge Point, your one place for practical programming solutions for computer and IT students. I am making this video to provide practical knowledge to all students so that you can develop your own programs which will be helpful for your studies as well as career. So in this video we are going to see practical number 1 for Java programming, which is for Diploma Semester 4 case scheme. So the practical number 1 is set up Java programming development environment using command prompt, then setting the class path, then setting any ID, that is integrated development environment. So multiple IDs are available for Java programming. The examples are Eclipse, NetBeans, VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code, JCreator. So the first practical is basically setting up the Java programming environment so that we can develop our Java programs. It is not related to any program. We are not going to develop any program here. We are just going to set up the environment, that is how to download Java application, then how to install it, then how to check whether it is installed properly on your system. So that will be our first practical. So just moving to the installation steps, that is installation for Java software. So first step is we have to download the JDK, that is Java Development Kit, and for that we have to visit this link. So this link is given in the description. You just have to click on that link. After clicking on that link, you will be moved to your browser, and in that browser you will see this page. So in this page the multiple setup files are available, and for that you have to see your operating system. So if you see, on the left side multiple operating systems are given, and on the right side their respective setup file is given. So if you are using Linux operating system, you have to use these setups. So multiple setups are available for Linux, and they are also available for different architecture, that is x86 and x64. So from that you can download this right side file whichever is applicable to your operating system version. Then for Mac OS also the file is available. As we are going to use Windows operating system, so for Windows two files are available, that is for x86 architecture and x64 architecture. So if you are using x86 architecture, you have to download this first file, and if you are using second architecture, then you will be going for x64 file. So after downloading, what you have to do, you just have to double click on that file. So as given in the steps, you have to double click on the file, then follow on screen instructions. So you just have to click on next on each screen page, and after that finally you will see a finish button. So after finishing, your setup is complete. That means your JDK is installed inside your system. So to check whether it is installed properly, what you have to do, you just have to click on start, then open command prompt, then just type Java C or Java dash version. So after that you will see which version is installed in your system. If you see this Java C and any number which is installed on your system, that means your Java setup is properly installed. That means you can run Java application on this computer. One more command is there, Java C. If you enter Java C and press enter button, and if you see the list of all commands, that means your Java C or Java application is properly installed and your command is running properly. This is how you have to download the file, then you have to install that file, then after that you have to check whether it is installed properly or not. If you see this, that means your Java or JDK is installed properly and you can run Java programs on your computer. So I'm just closing it. So this is how the installation of Java will be done. And the next second application that we are going to need is your text editor. So you can either use Notepad, which is already inside your system, that is Notepad, but I will prefer another application which is similar to Notepad, and that is Notepad++, because it is providing a proper graphical user interface, so we can understand the code properly. So for that purpose you just have to go to Google then you have to search Notepad++, then you will see this result. You just have to open this link, and after that you have to go to download section, and in that you have to download the uppermost setup file and you have to install it using double click. So after installing, you will see Notepad++ like this. So this is the application Notepad++, and in that you will see user interface like this. So this is how both the applications will be used in your Java programming. So what is the use of Notepad++? We will be typing our Java code here in this Notepad++ application, and we will be saving it inside this Notepad++ using proper Java syntax. And for running your application, you have to use command prompt, that is CMD. So on CMD we will be running our Java application or Java program, and for developing program or typing our program we will be using Notepad++. So this is how two applications are needed for Java programming. So as you are in the beginner step, you don't have to use any IDE currently, because these are for advanced Java programming, and you can also use them, but that is not preferable for as a beginner level. So for that purpose I will be using Notepad++ for typing my code, and for running I will be using command prompt. This is how the first practical will be, that is to set up Java programming environment. So if you move to the second practical, so in second practical what is given, write a programs to evaluate different types of expressions. So this is the heading of our second practical, but inside that the programs are not given actually, the questions are given for theory only. So if you see the questions, what are the operators in Java? So this is the theory question. So we have to write the theory part of operators whichever are available in Java programming language. Then second question is, what is arithmetic operator precedence in Java? So we have to write the precedence of arithmetic operations. So all the arithmetic operators will be listed, and you have to write the precedence. Then third question is, what are the comparative operators in Java? So that is comparison operators that you have to write as a theory part. Again, this fourth question is, what are expressions in programming? So again, this is the theory question. You just have to write the expressions and their theory part. Then what are unary and binary operators? So you just have to write the operators and unary and binary operator that is available in your Java programming. So no question is given regarding program. We don't have to generate any program here. All the 5 questions are regarding theory only. So that's why the second practical is also I will assume it has completed, because the program is not given here. And in first practical we have seen how to set up the development environment for Java. So this is how our first and second practical will be. Inside first practical we have seen how to set up the environment, and in second practical we have seen theory questions which are given, and no program is given here. From third practical we will be seeing actual programming questions. That means we will be writing the code for those programs, and we will be running those codes inside our system using CMD, and for writing purpose we will be using Notepad++ application. So this is how the first and second practical is done here. So that's it for today's practical. I hope you understand the program clearly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such programming solutions, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. If you have any doubts or need solutions for other programs, drop a comment below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy coding.